Well, keep on going.
Because the elephants, like, you know how like every animal feels like vibration. So it's just like when they're in the city, it's like so crazy for them. They like get so scared.
Anyways, what did we just do?
White water rafting with all those people. Look, take a video of all the instructors behind you.
Can you see it?
Yeah, but it's like crooked.
What do you mean it's crooked? Oh. See, those are all instructors. One of our guys, there's some guides that are 14 years old.
They look 14.
They look 14, so they started talking to Kelsey because she looks 14.
Shut up.
Oh no, she's 30. I forgot. But it was pretty fun, and our safety course was, it's bumpy. Put your feet in these straps. You paddle like this, and if you fall off, just go like this and hold on and lift your legs up, and then we went. That was it. Like that was not the short version. That was it. So it's pretty fun. Now we're
just at 8 food for 4 people.
Yeah. Kelsey ate food for 3 ants. And now we're gonna go see if we're gonna.
We went to a monkey cave temple, and then we went white water rafting, and now we're going to see if we can go into a waterfall.
Yeah. Go swimming for a bit and head back home after that. See you later.
Back to the hotel.
Yeah. Well, it's our new home for the next tonight, and that's it. Bye bye.
Let's buy our ticket.